Welcome back to Sweet Breeze. It's me, Johnny, out here working in the meadow, making this shrine chill spot right here. This rose quartz boulder. Today's offering to the Mystic Rose channel is this bird's nest I found, full of nuts for the animals. Because I'm a nut. I don't know. Should work. It should work, right? That's what it looks like. It looks cool. Somebody will find that interesting. But I'm about to finish cutting down this maple tree. There's too many maples out here anyway. Finish cutting that off, and then I'm gonna carve a face into this, like right here, just for something to do while I wait to hear back from my attorneys. But here's the meadow. There's your offering, Mystic Rosa. Later.